Hey, this is Doug from Doug and Nikki here in our indoor studio where I have in my hands the new GoPro Enduro batteries. So you are watching this being shot right now on a GoPro HERO10 Black. This happens to be at 4K 30, but frequently if you see me shooting things outside where I want to have some B-roll, slow some things down, all that kind of stuff, I traditionally shoot in 4K 60 and the batteries overheat, the batteries physically overheat, they run out. The original batteries lasted a very long time, but seeing as I lean on this thing a lot, they have definitely worn out and I needed new batteries and I thought I would go with these Enduros. So I got these Enduros and I've had them for about a week. So I've been using them for a little while and I just wanted to come tell you what my experience was, because are they really Enduro batteries? Do they last longer or not? I'm here in Southern Florida, so I'm not even going to talk to you about the cold weather performance, which is really supposed to be outstanding. But I'm going to talk to you about real world, Southern Florida, outside shooting 4K 60 over and over and over again. And I absolutely did see a difference with these batteries. GoPro says it's good for about a 13% increase in record time. I didn't measure it. I didn't say, was it 2 minutes longer, 3 minutes, whatever. I would say seat of the pants, that's about right. You know, it was definitely significantly longer than the original GoPro battery. It wasn't like, wow, this thing lasts forever. But if you need to replace your GoPro batteries or add more to your collection, I was 1000% say get these batteries. They are definitely better than the originals. They don't cost much more. So it is a super win that way. On some of the higher speeds, it's even supposed to last even longer. But I kind of tend not to use those for these kind of loggy things. So I'm really just talking to you right now. For sure, I've done 4K 60 a zillion times and it is definitely significantly longer. So I'm gonna give these a full 5 out of 5 on the Doug score. If you're gonna replace batteries or add batteries to your GoPro, no longer get the blue ones, get these Enduros. They are cool. All right, I hope that's helpful. We'll see you next time.